Okay, in this video, we'll look at what can happen when we solve a system of linear equations in two variables. So we have two equations, two variables, and each equation actually represents a line, okay, in a two-dimensional space. So what are we going to do when you have two equations? What can happen? Well, the first thing that can happen is the two lines for each equation, the blue and the red, as you can see, will intersect at a value, at a point. Okay, so in this case, we see that there is a solution right here. So the two lines intersect, and that solution is going to be -3, right? So we start at the origin, we're going to go 3 to the left, and then we're going to go 4 down. So this is -3, -4. And that is when a system has one solution. So that's when the lines intersect. Now let's look at this example. For this example, I don't know if you can see it. I was trying to make it look like you can see it. So there's actually two lines here, but one is on top of the other. They coincide. So whenever the blue line and the red line are the same, basically, then every point on the line, so let's get to it closer. So every point on both of them, right? Both satisfies both equations because they're both the same. So you have infinitely many possible solutions because any point on that one line will work. So this is when we have infinite number of solutions. Finally, what can happen is that these lines could actually be parallel to each other. So what does that mean? It means that they have the same slope, but they will have different y-intercepts. Okay, so the same slope, but different intercepts. In that case, there is no solution because parallel lines never going to meet. So conclusion is, whenever you solve in a linear system of equations, and by the way, this is not just true for two equations and two variables, that is also true in general, that a system can have either a unique, what we call unique solution, just one and only one, or infinitely many, or no solution. That's the only thing that can happen. So you can't have, for example, exactly two solutions or exactly three solutions, because once you know there is more than one, that means that there is infinitely many.